Yeah, we're trying to find the y dx, that's the derivative or differential coefficients of this equation. Okay, and this equation x plus y plus natural logarithm of xy, I mean x times y equal to 2. So in this case now, we're going to use implicit differentiation because we don't have a single variable. So we're going to use implicit differentiation. Okay, so let's write the equation. Okay, then differentiate this equation implicitly with respect to x. So if you do this one, you're going to have 1 plus this one, that will be the y dx. Okay, then plus. We must be very careful here. Okay, we must be very careful there. So this is what we're going to do in that place. Since it's a logarithm function, it's going to be ddx of the inner function over the function itself. And when you differentiate a constant, it's going to give you 0. Okay, so that's what we have there. So we're going to have now 1 plus the y dx plus this one will be for the numerator there. I'm going to differentiate the first one. That'll be 1. Now keep the y constant, then plus. Let me now keep the y constant now and differentiate. Keep the y constant. Let's keep the s constant now and differentiate y respect to x. That'll be the y dx over this one equal to 0. So the implication of this one is this 1 plus dy dx, and then we're going to divide each item by the denominator. So that will be y xy plus this one. Also, this and this we cancel, so we have 1 over y dy dx. Okay, this one also we cancel, so we're going to have now equal to 0. So we're having now this is giving us 1 plus. We can combine this dy dx together. That'll be 1 plus 1 over y. If we factorize the y dx, we're going to have 1 plus 1 over y dy dx. Okay, and then we can move the other variable to the other side, and that will be equal to minus 1, and then minus 1 over x. And then we can solve the right hand side, which will be equal to what? This one times this one, that's minus x minus 1 over this. Okay, on the right, on this side also we can do the algebra with this one times this one, that's y plus 1 over what? Over y dy dx. Okay, the y dx equal to minus x minus 1. Or we can make the y dx the subjects. Remove this y from here by multiplying the two sides of the equation by y. So we have 1 plus y plus 1, okay, the y dx, and this will be equal to minus xy minus y power to x. Okay, then final conclusion, make this the y dx the subjects, and that will be equal to up here x plus 1. If you take minus y out, so we have that over this one. You take the minus y out, and then you divide both sides by this y plus 1. Okay, so we have this. And that's end the solution. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are here for the first time, share the links across your social media platform. Okay, share it massively across your different platforms. Give the videos a thumbs up. Bye for now.